Going to be doing a video review on the Philips Norelco Face Plus Body Pro Trim, Edge, and Shave at any length of hair. Is that true? So it's got a 14 length comb, 4 blades. I didn't know it had 4 blades. Wait a second, why does it have 4 blades? Do the blades weaken? I didn't know that before. I'm looking at this, I'm thinking, are they different lengths? But that's the whole point of this. So four blades. Do I want this? Does this wear out over time? Fast-moving cutters, 200 dual protection system, 14 lengths, 1/32 to 13/30 seconds. Click on skin guard for sensitive areas. We know what that is. Package. Click on body comb, easy trim in any direction. Wet and dry, use wet or dry. Lithium ion battery, 90 minutes. LED display, who cares about any of that? Charging stand, a replaceable blade, lasts up to 4 months. So I didn't know that this thing wore out. I thought that this was just, but, so the thing is, do you want to keep it? I guess when you're using a blade, it's going to wear out over time, and maybe you're going to have something that's going to be worthless in a short amount of time. I've got a, how do you open this thing? I noticed that in the store. I went, wow, they definitely don't want people taking this stuff because there's no way to open it up without being noticed. Item 1285967, purchased at Costco. I think you can get it at Amazon. I will leave an affiliate link in the video description if you can. If there is none, I'll still leave video description links. So click on those. If you order from Amazon, click on any of those links before you do your order, if you would please. It will definitely help me out a lot. Help me out with making these videos, and a little bit of compensation is always good. So I'm going to be, ow. Oh my God. Oh baby. How the heck do you open this package? I'm trying to open my package. Oh. Talk about an unboxing. This is brutal. So I'm doing this right now because I just did a review of a flashlight I bought there, and I'm going to be returning that tomorrow. I wasn't too happy with it. So I thought, let me do this at the same time, find out if I'm going to keep it or not. All that nice big box. What's in here? Is anything in here? This huge box just for this tiny little thing. Go figure. As I said, I own I believe I own a Norelco Philips. I own a Philips charger that I'm the charger. A Philips trimmer that I use all the time, and I love it. I think it's Philips. I love it. I bought that from Costco. Okay, so this was, you've got to be kidding me. Is anything in here? Okay, good. Got there's a lot of stuff that comes in here. Got our little dialy thing, and we've got the guard, and we've got the charger stand. We got one blade for the face, one blade for the body. I didn't know that. So what I'm really curious about is, does this really get, I'll bet these blades cost a fortune. There's no way you're going to buy blades for a good price. Philips OneBlade, Philips OneBlade. These things are tiny. I'm thinking, do I really want to mess with this? So we've got 2 blades in there. I just saw a blade. Where did I see a blade? Here a blade, there a blade. We've got 2 blades over there. Let's take this out and see what it does. I sure hope it turns on. Is the battery in? I don't really want to charge this up to do this. Totally dead. So I have to charge it. I think it says it charges in a few minutes. Let me go, oh my God. So we got this. Nice little unit. Got this AC adapter. I'm going to plug this thing in. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Yeah, I just watched the debate. Okay, I'm going to go plug this thing in. We'll try to charge this thing up, pop on a blade, decide if I want to keep it. And back. So I charged it for about, does it even say? You can't see it now. I charged it for about 10 minutes, and it doesn't show it now. It went up to 20. So I'm assuming it's going to turn on right now. So you can probably charge this in a short time. Whoa, that's got some nice power. So we've got the one blade for the face and the one blade for the body. I would like to, I don't want to, let me just do this. Let me take the blade out for the body. I want to take the blade out for the body, and I want to test it out. Because seriously, I don't know if I'm going to keep this. And if I'm not gonna keep it, it's going back tomorrow, so. You know, the price is so inexpensive. Everything's so hard to take apart. The price is so inexpensive and it was on sale, but I don't know if this is, I'll have to look at the receipt. I don't know if this was 59 bucks on sale and regular 79, you know, $59 is a lot of money. Take my watch off right now. Why am I taking off my watch? I'll let you know in a minute. Taking off my Garmin watch. How does this plug on? So, is there a release? I should maybe read the instructions. What do we have? Okay, so we have an ejector over there. Ejector, this is a protective thing. These are really, how does this go in? Okay, so it goes in that way. I should have better lighting here, sorry. And you lift that to eject it. So I want to try something now. Yeah, I don't have that much battery time left. So we've got, I don't know if you can see, I wish I had better lighting over here. Did that help out a little? I don't know. Can I do better lighting? Probably not. I don't have the other lights set up right now. So we've got some hair on the knuckles. Everybody gets hair on the knuckles. I don't know what these things are for. I don't understand is this a guard or something? Or is that a depth gauge to pull up the hair like a, let's try this on the knuckles and see what it does. Because if you're a man, you don't want hair on the knuckles, especially if you're making videos and you're doing guitar. So let's look over here. Now remember, this has a comb that will give you 14 lengths, but so we've got some hair over here. I know I'm going really fast, but let me turn this off now. It did fairly good. It took the hair, well, it took most of the hair off of the knuckles. I'm not, okay, so there's some hair over there. Let's see. That's why I'm buying something like this. Doing a very nice job. But it's struggling. This is a brand new blade. And it's not getting 100% down on the skin. I want to try something else. Where is the comb? It's got this 14 setting comber that goes on here. I don't know if this is easily put on or not without reading the instructions. How does this thing go on? I don't know. Does it go on this way? Does it go on this way? Does it go on this way? How does this thing go on? I know it's not fair to do a good video review without looking, but I'm not really sure I like this thing yet. So what I'm going to do now, I was going to use that on the arm, but what I want to do, this is another thing. I like to trim some of my arm hairs, and I usually use a Philips Norelco trimmer. I'm going to try this right now. We're going to see, is this painful? I know it's got the face thing. I can't believe that this thing is going to trim the face really well, but let's do this on the arm and let's see what we get. Okay, now let me show you something else. I did a review of this, the Philips Norelco multi-groom. Now, it has an attachment. I don't know where the heck I put it. I think it's outside. I want to show you the difference right now. This has a little comb thing that I've misplaced. We've got the power. We've got the turbo. Turbo, off, turbo, off. Let me show you what this thing can do. And that's without the comb. But look at the difference. Now I'm going to go over here to the, this is not as good as the other one because you're using blades and it's not flat. But this will go in there and do that. It will go in there and do the hand really well. You can hear it starting to bog down because it's not charged up. And let's go back over here and just do a really quick thing with the arms, and you can see what it can do. It's remarkable. And they put this on sale all the time. And so let me get rid of some of this hair that's floating all over the place. I know I didn't do a good job, an even job, but kind of hard with bad lighting. And this thing's awesome. This thing, I bought this thing much cheaper than I think I paid for this. I think I got this for like $29, $39 or something. This, I'm not even going to look at the, I think it was $59. Well, let me go find out right now. I just looked. $79, so really $80 on sale, $20 off. 80, 70, 60 plus tax, 65. There is no way that that is better than this. This thing's awesome. This blade's lasted forever. It comes with multiple blades. This is a narrow blade, comes with a wider blade, comes with a blade to trim the hair in your schnozzle. Comes with combs. This thing comes with 4 blades that are going to wear out over time, replaceable, but are going to wear out. And I don't know, I can't really say that, I don't know. For $80, I'm not, that's just too much money for something like this. This is going back to Costco. Maybe it's something you like. I'm sure they sell it on Amazon. I'll leave that affiliate link in the video description either way. And go out and buy it and see if you're happy with it. Thanks for watching.